So, andito tayo ngayon sa Greenbelt Chancellor in Makati City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclose Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. 38 square meters, around 7 million. Studio po siya. Pagpasok nyo, ayan yung bathroom. And then yung kitchen niya. This is available in cash or at least 20% down payment. And then 80% balance bank financing plus taxes and fees. And then meron siyang balcony. Yan ang view niya. So dito lang tayo sa Greenbelt area. Malapit tayo sa Legazpi Active Park and sa Greenbelt Mall. And this is as is where is upon turnover. And usually first come first serve po tayo sa submission ng offer. Again, this is around 7 million and negotiable pa po yung price niyan. So if you are interested to make an offer, please message us directly. Amenity area niya. May kiddie pool and may adult pool. Then ito yung gym. Adult pool. Yan. Dito tayo sa Greenbelt area. Yung Washington CC Park. Tapos sa kabila yung dun sa kabila naman yung Legazpi Active Park. So magkatabi siyang park dito sa Greenbelt area. Malapit sa Greenbelt Mall and sa Ayala Avenue. Yung kabila dun is yung Legazpi Park.